Hello everybody! Today we're going to take a close-up look at the Tefal Emotion stainless steel milk pan. So let's go ahead and take a look. So this is a Tefal Emotion stainless steel milk pan. This one has a size of 14 centimeters or 14 centimeters in diameter. And taking a look at the details of the milk pan, let's take a close-up look at the product information that's attached to the milk pan. And on the bottom or underside of the milk pan, we can see, or just about, once the camcorder focuses on the details of the product information on the card that's attached to the milk pan. We can see that it does have a 10-year guarantee or warranty and is made out of 18/10 stainless steel. And it is versatile, being that it can be used on an array of hobs, being gas, electric, ceramic, and induction. So you can see it does have a highly polished surface on the outside and a satin finish on the inside. Now let's go ahead and remove the card that's attached to it, so giving you a better look now at the details. That's on the card of this Tefal Emotion stainless steel milk pan. And of course, the inside, there's some further details of the milk pan, so in very, very small print, the use and care information, as well as other details. In several languages. And of course, for reference purposes, showing you all the details that's on the card packaging. Okay, now we can set the card to the side, so we're going to set it on the right hand side of the tabletop. And now taking a look at the milk pan itself, and let's do a 360 rotation so you have a full and clear look this time round with the card removed from it. So it does have a very long handle, as you can see, and is made out of bakelite, as well as having a stainless steel insert. So if we can get focus on it, we will be able to see the details more clearly. So you can see a finely textured, nearly matte finish of that bakelite handle and the highly polished stainless steel insert. So just tapping on that bakelite handle and that stainless steel insert. Let me hold the handle part so you have a better sense of the materials and how they sound with my finger tapping on them. So right there, the underside of the handle, so it does have a hole for hanging the milk pot or milk pan. And to give you some sense of the grip, so very chunky grip, or at least it is quite wide. So right there, just holding this Tefal Emotion stainless steel milk pan, 14 centimeters or 14 cm, and giving you a look at the side profile of this milk pan. And now taking a look up close at the milk pan itself, we see the Tefal branding on the side. And we can see that it does have a pouring lip around the rim. Of the pan, and of course taking a look at the underside or bottom of the milk pan. So giving you a close-up look, once again we see the Tefal branding and the stainless steel details and induction technology, thermal fusion, integral. So right there, giving you a look at the overall details. Now we can see that the base does taper up and widen into the milk pan. And now taking a look inside, we can see that it does have measuring lines in there with 0.5 liters at the mid marker right there, or the line in the middle between the top and bottom lines. So giving you a look right there on the inside and overall details. I'm going to tap on the milk pan so you have some sense of the material. So at the bottom, inside of the milk pan, and the sides or the wall, and the outer side, and of course the bottom as well, at the various points. There, taking a further out look for perspective, and just placing my hand over the base or bottom of the milk pan to give you some sense of its size right there, and of course fisting it as well, so you can see just about the size, depth, and of course the width, so having a 14 centimeter diameter. So you can see, very sturdy and very easy to handle with that long bakelite handle with that reinforced stainless steel insert. So that's the Tefal Emotion stainless steel milk pan. Thanks for watching and happy boiling!